All right, question 5. We have a system of two equations. It says use method of substitution to solve. So when we want to use substitution, we want to solve for x or y and then plug in. I wouldn't recommend using substitution here. I would recommend you use elimination. Better to use substitution when you have y equal or one of your variables is already 1, x or y. So we're going to do elimination here. We have 6x plus 8y equals negative 54. And then we have 7x plus 7y equals negative 49. Okay, we are going to either multiply to get rid of x or y, and it looks like doing x will give us smaller numbers. So we're going to multiply and find the least common multiple, which between 6 and 7 will be 42. So this first equation we're going to multiply by, we're going to say negative 7, so we change the sign. This one we're going to multiply by positive 6. So we're going to get opposite signs but the same number, so x will get eliminated. So negative 7 times 6 will give us a negative 42x. Negative 7 times 8 will give us a negative 56y. And then negative 7 times 54, that will give us 8. It's going to be a positive, 28, and then 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2 is 37. And then we're going to multiply, we get a positive 42x, we get positive 42y, and then 6 times 9, 54. And then carry your 5, 6 and 5 is 24, plus 5 is 29, and this is negative. Okay, so this is what we get. Now, just double check the math. I'm going to do a lot mentally. Let's check. Negative 7 times negative 54. Verify we get 378. Okay, and then let's verify 6 times negative 49. We get negative 294. Okay, so we're good here. When we combine these two equations, the x gets eliminated. Okay, those go away. Combine the y's. This ends up being negative 14y equals, and then when we subtract these two, we end up with 4, borrow 1, we get 8. And then 0. So we get 84. We get negative 14y is 84. We divide by negative 14, and we get y equals, so negative 14. So we end up with a negative number. 14 times 5 is 70. And then one more will be 84. So 6, we get negative 6 here. Y equals negative 6. Once we have the y value, we will take this y value and plug it in to either one of our original equations. And it doesn't matter which one. We'll use the second one, but I think it should work out the same. It will work out the same either way. So we're going to take the second equation, 7x plus 7 times negative 6 equals negative 49. And then we're going to multiply, so we get 7x minus 42 equals negative 49. We're going to add 42 to both sides, so we end up with 7x is equal to negative 7, and then divide by 7, and we get x equals negative 1. So we get one solution here. We get an x value and a y value. So this means we get one solution. And we'll pick that and ask for the ordered pair, so you have to put x first. Remember, negative 1 listed as an ordered pair. Negative 1 and negative 6.